Hello everyone, I'm Mithun A, first year ISC student, and I am introducing automatic wiper for helmet. Introduction. Automatic wiper helmet is a device that wipe whenever the rain, snow, dust coming. This technology helps enhance safety and visibility in various working or outdoor conditions. In outdoor activities such as motorcycle riding or biking, automatic wiper helmets ensure a comfortable and safe experience, especially in adverse weather conditions. The rider can maintain clean vision without having to stop and manually clean their helmet visors. In automatic wiper helmet consist various type of components like VFD, variable frequency drive, electric motor, battery, solar panel, etc. Components. Wiper blade. It is using to clean the surface area of helmet. Electric motor. It is using to wiper movement. Switch or controller. It is using to wiping speed, frequency to control and on off switch. Power source. The motor and controller components are powered by a battery or electrical system. Solar panel to charge the battery. And the advantages of an automatic helmet wiper: improved visibility, more safety, we can drive any weather. And the disadvantages of an automatic helmet wiper: maintenance is very high, additional weight, extra noise. Thank you.